Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, what's up, what's up? How you doing, how you doing? Hey. Okay, so I'm really excited for this video because we're going to do some makeup, but we're going to do the random numbers pick my makeup challenge. Yeah, so I'm going to do it only for my eyes. So I'm going to pick a palette out of my collection and I'm going to use the Google generator and we're going to generate, I guess I'll go with 5 colors to make and we're going to create an eye look from that. So hopefully we get lucky. Hopefully we can create a bomb eye look. Alright, so if you want to see this challenge, go ahead and continue to watch. But before we get into all of the good stuff, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Join that flower gang, sis. I promise you it's free. And it helps me, it helps me a lot. Alright, let's get into it. So before we get into the number generating and all of that, if you guys have seen me do my makeup before, I do my base before I do my eyes. I know people say that's demon and demonic, but for me it just works better. So what I'm going to do is just kind of show you guys and speed through doing my base, and then we'll start talking again and all of that goody good so we can see what products, what palette I'm going to use, and we can see what colors are going to be generated. So
S playing on the track. S playing on the track.
okay, so let's start generating eyeshadow because everything's done. All we got to do now is eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go to Google, and I decided to use my Jamrock Universal eyeshadow palette from Playing in Makeup with Yolando, and this is how the palette looks. I've used it a few times. I love this palette. So pretty. It's great colors. Has some matte. It has like an even amount of matte and shimmer shade, so I felt like it would be safe so that we can end up with a look, like, you feel me? So there are 30 colors in this palette. Yeah, there are 30 palettes in this. There's 30 colors in this palette. So we're gonna do 1 is the minimum, max is 30. And then we're going to start generating a number. So we're going to generate. First color I got is 9. So number 9 is the color Loud. This turquoise shimmery blue right here. So we're going to generate again. Number 8, which is right next to it. And then we're going to go in with Gutty, which is that blue, right, that deep blue. Number 23. Last color that we went and generated was number 13, and that color is this pink right here. So right now, y'all, I'm not feeling this. So right now we have Loud, Gutty, Stush, Pink, and Browning. So 2 mattes and then 2 and 3 shimmers all of whom do not necessarily go. I'm scared. No, I'm like terrified. Okay, so I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids. Ugh. Can I do it over? Can we act like I didn't do this and like do it over? Is that cheating? Like, I would feel bad if I did it over. So since I only have 2 mattes, I'm gonna start with the 2 mattes on the lid because I do not like shimmer in like the creases and all of that good stuff. I personally do not like that. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna take pink, which is that bright pink matte color that we got. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna start the eye with that color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the browning, and that's gonna be the color that's in my crease. I do not like this. Holy crap, this is ugly. Can I just like add another color in, or is that cheating? If I add another color in, am I cheating? Like if I add like a black to make it like deeper, is that cheating? Because as of right now, this ain't it. It's like, this looks like muddy doo-doo. So that's what we end up with. So in my head, I'm like, I might as well cut the crease because I feel like the cut crease will make me feel like it's just a cuter look, maybe. I'm hoping. I don't really know, but I'm gonna try. Blue and pink look nice together, so I'm not worried about the blue per se, but the brown threw it off. So now that I've cut the crease on both sides, we're gonna start. I don't like this at all. So I'm gonna go back in with browning, and I'm just going to kind of blend out that end there. Now that that's done, I guess. Oh gosh. I'm like secretly in agony right now because these colors, like I literally wouldn't have picked this, but we're going for it. Woohoo! So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with Gutty, which is that dark blue. Oh God. And we're just going to put that on the lid. I'm not, remind me never to do this again. Okay, gender reveal realness, period poo. Period poo. I'm gonna go in with more Gutty to make it more pigmented. And then I want to go on more of the browning to kind of combat that a little bit. I got the mirror all in my face. You can't see what I'm doing. Life is in shambles right now. Okay, so I have one more color that I have not used. I think I'm gonna do that for my inner corner color. I'm gonna cheat a little bit because like, okay, so I think I'm going to put the pink underneath the eye and that stush color, which is like that metallic brown, in the inner corner. And I am hoping and praying and wishing that it looks good. So let's go in with the pink first on the under eye part. So now that I've done that under eye, I'm gonna go in. I'm going to do the inner corner with the stush, which is like this brownish metallic kind of color right here. So I'm just gonna go in with that. Hopefully this doesn't ruin it because I'm kind of okay with how it looks now. But thankfully it looks a little more golden than I thought it would. This is a really weird look. I ended up going to a gender reveal. Let's reveal. So I'm gonna come back and show you exactly what it looks like once everything is all said and done. I'm going to add my contour, my blush, my highlight, and I'll be right back. I'll probably add some lips, and yeah, I'm going to just finish the face, and I'll be back to show you like the final look. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I completed my whole face. This is the final look. We are going to a gender reveal because that's the vibes I'm really giving. Lashes honestly makes everything better. So these are my LaFleur by Armani lashes, Cocoa lashes, and this is the Style Stallion. So these made the look elevate a little bit, and I just put on my brown lip liner and my Ramona Joan Natalie Piper lipstick. This is one of my faves right here, and honestly I don't hate the look anymore. Can't say I love it. Like, I wouldn't have picked this by itself, which is why I really wanted to do this challenge, because I wanted to do something different that I probably wouldn't put together on my own. Luckily I lost the brown in it a little bit, and I think that's what makes it a little bit better. It just dulled out the pink. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. Do you think that the generator tried to play me, or do you think the generator made something blossom into beauty and greatness? Let me know down in the comments. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom, because the flowers are so blossoming in nature. But don't go, sis, because we got a model, okay?